You like the garage door? Think they're cool? Frank is nice, he doesn't bite. He doesn't bite.
Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to reprogram a Craftsman garage door opener remote. So I have the 3-button remote here. As you can see, none of the buttons work. That can happen from either changing your battery, or the battery has died, or maybe you reprogrammed your keypad that goes along with your garage door opener. So it happens. But this is the garage door opener that I have with it. It's Craftsman, half horsepower. And I'm going to show you, it's a fairly simple fix to get it reprogrammed. So on your garage door opener, you're usually going to probably have these plate covers or these light covers. You're going to take the side off that has this red button here. What you're going to do is, all you're going to do is just push that red button, and a light's going to show up. You're going to take your garage door opener remote and just click whatever button you want programmed. So I'm going to do the big button. The light's going to click along with the garage door opener. That means it's reprogrammed. So I'm just going to show you. It's all set. Pretty simple fix. Hope that helps.
Okay. The door's pretty loud. And it hits the stop bolt, so I might adjust.
Go down?
No.
No? No or yes?
No.
No? Okay. Did you go visit the carnival in Berkeley?
Oh, no spider webs on the head. No spider webs.
And here we go. It is extremely loud in here. Very loud. Don't know why. I know my belt is loose. Please don't tell me my belt's loose because I know that. And if you look over here,
there we are. Very nice. Love that rear.
New fights. OD1, OD1, OD fights.
One more?
Lot of.
Okay. Once upon a time, Dora went,
Lot
little
of.
pigs, let me in. I'm not about to hear my chin, chin, chin. I'm gonna huff it. I'm gonna puff it.
go pop.
Rehooked the opener, just moved it up, moved it. Goes up nice and smooth.
What do we decide on? Just the one camera?
They don't even offer. Good old sound of a chain drive. It is a bit loud though. I don't know why that chain drive makes so much noise, but it does. And run it down.
Oh, no spider webs on the head. No spider webs.